Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aba256. If you are new here, thank you for watching my video, and if you are a returning subscriber, mashallah, thank you very much for always coming back to my YouTube channel. So today, in today's video, I'll be doing some experiments. So I'll get the egg and I see whether this sunshine, whether it can cook this egg. Yeah, so guys, let's do it together. Today it is 41 degrees Celsius and it is 2 p.m. So guys, let's do it together, guys. See guys, it's in 41 degrees Celsius. The sun is shining. Oh my god, it's 41 degrees, yeah, for today's. So guys, let's try this and see whether it can get cooked. Okay guys, let us get a frying pan and egg, and we put I'm supposed to be cooked. Let's go and try this one egg. Oh, let's go. Let's go and do this test, guys. Yes, this is our egg. So guys, let's go. This is our frying pan, so let's go. Let's wait so that it can be heated by sun. And while putting it here, let me go and get some cooking oil. Yeah, yeah. Let's wait. Okay, this is our egg. Okay, let's wait. Let's see the process. Oh my god, I'm waiting. It failed. So guys, it has started changing over here. Yeah. Guys, let's do this process together. Let me see whether it will be cooked. Yes, dear. I'll be taking this one inside. Yeah, wait. Leave them for a while. 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I'll be checking. Then I'll be washing my rice. My rice. Remember, I'm going to prepare my lunch. After 5 minutes, then we go and we check and see the progress. Okay. Because the sunshine is too much, you cannot stand outside for 15 minutes. No, you have to be inside. And AC 24/7. So I hope after 5 minutes it will be somehow. Oh my god, here it is. Hey. This is how it looks right now. So let us wait another few minutes. Oh my god, it looks that it has. Guys, look here, guys. Oh my god. 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 can take and eat. What is this? That's Dubai Sun. It can burn, you see, it can cook egg. What the fuck is this? Okay guys, let me show you another thing. When there is no AC here, you can't survive. So I'll stand here for 15 minutes. You will see the way I'm be sweating because the heat is too much. It's too much, as you know. So let me sit here for 15 minutes, but you will see the sweat flowing. Let's do it, guys. This is the time. I don't know whether you can see it. This is the time, till 3:14. So let me wait. When it clocks like 3:20 something, you will see 20 something. Yeah, 29. Yeah. Let us wait for 15 minutes. You will be seeing the water running. As you can see, it is 3:19. Yeah, I mean 3:20. I don't know whether you can see it. It's 3:20, but you see 15 minutes to go. You see. Okay, 10 minutes to go. Let's go. 10 minutes to go. Guys, 6 minutes to go. But you see, 6 minutes to go. I don't know whether you can see. 3:24. But you see, already sweating. No AC, no fan. Yeah, not working, but oh my god, it's like I'm from shower. Oof. Guys, no. This is too much. Let's go. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. This is too much. I'm sweating. That's heat. When there is no AC, there is no life here. No. Let's go inside. Let's go outside. This is too much. Let's go and wash face. Change some clothes. Oh. Go and change this clothes. This is too much. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching today's video. By the way, even if there is some shade, like here there is no, like in the bathroom, outside bathroom, you cannot even stand here. And let's see, this is an open door. You cannot stand here for like a half an hour. You can't. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, guys, don't forget to hit subscription box. So guys, bye bye for now, and thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.